I got on YouTube and studied all the different ways, the best ways, easiest ways to dispose of your hard drives safely and securely. And all of them were very labor intensive. So I suggested to my friend Jay that we take them out for target practice, but Jay wanted to see what was inside of them and retrieve some of the magnets. So I've determined that the really easiest way to deal with this situation is to let a friend do it for you. Do you agree? You agree, huh?
Apparently it works for you, buddy.
Yeah, I tell you, it's a great labor-saving device. Just out of curiosity, how long have you been working on that so far?
I'm taking these 10, 12 apart, about an hour.
You've gotten 10 of them apart in an hour? Oh, you're good. I'm such a klutz when it comes to doing stuff like this. The idea that they had screws under the labels was really enlightening. That explains why I couldn't get that one cover off.
But for the records, anybody that happens to see this, I'm not doing it for this or for him. I'm doing it for this.
Yeah. Right. Show that again. I'm sorry. I had the camera going the wrong direction.
These are the magnets that come out of them, and they are stout little.
Those are some bad magnets, I'll tell you. You say you get your finger caught in those, it'll pinch you.
It will blood blister you.
And one of the, is that a set of calipers there?
What this?
Yeah.
No,
Oh, no, I wasn't looking at it right.
It's a destruction tool.
If
like
you want,
these small ones are so thin, they just shatter like glass.
but the others we're going to take out and use for target practice this afternoon, this evening.
Anyway, it's down in here somewhere. But yeah.
So you got right there, that's a pile of magnets. And how do you want to show how you're going to use one of them, or at least a couple? But this is a cool handgun. And John has a license for this, to carry this. So he is John Jay is what I call him. His real name is John.
But anyway, the magnet's actually in here. So I'll take bolt cutters and cut these off. But the logic is whether you want to mount this on your bedside table or on the dash of your car.
And look at that.
You can put the gun on it and it will not fall off.
That is amazing. Hold on, let me get you centered. That is amazing that I've never seen magnets. I didn't realize magnets could be that powerful. What kind of gun is that? Because that's a 45.
Yeah, it's a Taurus.
Taurus. Oh, okay.
Taurus Millennium.
I'm familiar with that. And that is the most concealable 45 I've ever seen.
Anyway, we're not just playing with them. It's unloaded.
Oh, yeah. We notice I checked it when I picked it up too, even though it was unloaded.
So that's the game plan for what game plan there is.
Yeah, really. Very cool.